Hello everyone. In this lecture we will discuss about how to prepare molar solution of acid and base iso. So in this lecture we will discuss how to prepare a molar solution. So for example, how to prepare 0.1 molar NaOH solution. 0.1 molar NaOH solution. 0.1 molar NaOH solution. So in order to prepare 0.1 molar NaOH solution, first of all we should know what is molar solution. So we should know molarity. Molarity is nothing but it is denoted by capital M, and it is equal to moles of solute in 1 liter of 1 liter of solvent. This is called molarity. So mole is nothing but it is denoted by N and liter of solution. So molarity is mole per unit liter. So in order to prepare 1 molar NaOH solution, we will take 1 mole of sodium hydroxide and we will dissolve it in 1 liter of distilled water. So 1 mole of sodium hydroxide is equal to 40 grams of sodium hydroxide, and we will dissolve it 1 liter of distilled water. So we will get 1 molar NaOH solution. So in order to prepare 0.1 molar NaOH solution, we will take 4 gram of NaOH and we will dissolve it in 1 liter of distilled water. Just we will multiply this term with 0.1 and we will multiply this term with 0.1. So we will get 0.1 molar, and here we will get 4 gram of NaOH in 1 liter of distilled water. So we will get 0.1 molar NaOH solution. Similarly, we will in order to prepare 1 molar of sodium chloride solution, NaCl solution. So 1 molar NaCl solution. So in 1 molar of NaCl solution will be equal to 1 mole of NaCl divided by 1 liter of distilled water. So 1 mole of NaCl is equal to 58 gram, because we know that mole is equal to given mass divided by molecular mass. So given mass is, suppose we are preparing 1 mole, so it will be 1. Now what will be the given mass? The given mass will be equal to 1 mole multiplied by molecular mass of sodium chloride. So molecular mass of sodium chloride, what is the molar mass of molar mass or ionic mass of sodium chloride? So NaCl. So this is atomic mass is 23 gram and the chloride is 35 gram. So it is 58 gram per mole. So this is the molar mass of NaCl. So we will put here 1 mole and this is the 58 gram per mole. So mole cancel with mole. We will take 58 gram of NaCl and we will dissolve it in, we will take 58 gram of NaCl and we will dissolve it in 1 liter of distilled water, 58 gram. 58 gram of NaCl. So we will prepare 1 molar NaCl solution and distill water. Now in order to prepare 0.1 molar NaCl solution, so we will take 5.8 gram of NaCl and we will dissolve it in 1 liter of water. So we will just multiply this by 0.1. So it will be 5.8 gram of NaCl and we will dissolve it in distilled water. So we will get 0.1 molar NaCl solution. So we can prepare any molar solution from the molarity concept. Now in order to prepare the molar solution of various acids, so for example 1 molar of HCl solution. So suppose we are going to prepare 1 molar of HCl solution. So we will use the dilution formula. The dilution formula is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. So now M2 is the concentration of the solution which are we going to prepare. So this is the concentration of our final solution. This is the volume of our final solution which we are going to determine, and this is the molarity of the acid, and this is the volume of acid. So suppose we are going to prepare 1 molar of HCl solution. So suppose we are going to prepare 1 molar of HCl solution, and suppose we are going to prepare 1 liter of HCl solution, 1 liter of HCl solution whose molarity is 1 molar. So if someone asked you that prepare 1 molar of HCl solution, whose volume is 1 liter. So prepare 1 liter of HCl solution whose volume is 1 liter and whose molarity is 1 molar. So how can you prepare it? You will use this formula M1V1 is equal to M2V2. So it is in the question it is given that prepared 1 liter of HCl solution. So V2 is 1 liter and whose prepared 1 molar of solution of HCl whose molarity is 1 molar. So molarity is, this is the molarity of our final solution. It is 1 molar. Now how much we will took from the bottle of HCl solution which are given to us. So we will take V1. Now we will determine this V1, and this is the molarity of our known solution. This is the molarity of the HCl which are present in the bottle from which we are going to prepare the dilute solution. So this is the molarity. So actually the molarity of HCl is 12 molar. So 12 molar, and this is the volume. V1 is the volume which we are taking from the bottle. So V1 is equal to 1 divided by 12. So we will take this molar cancel with molar, and this is the liter. So we will take this much 1 divided by 12 liter of HCl from the bottle, and we will take some water. At first we will take some distilled water, and then we will add 1 divided by 12 liter of HCl, and we will slowly add it to the beaker whose volume is 1 liter. After adding all of the this HCl, we will add distilled water again, and we will reach the solution to 1 liter. So in this case we will prepare 1 molar of HCl solution. So similarly we can prepare 0.1 molar HCl solution from the dilution formula, which is M1V1 is equal to M2V2. So prepare 0.1 molar HCl solution whose volume is 1 liter. So 0.1 molar HCl solution whose volume is, suppose it is 1001 liter. So suppose we are going to prepare a solution whose volume is 1000 liter ml, whose volume is 1000 ml, and whose molarity is 0.1 molar. From standard solution of from standard solution of HCl. So and actually the molarity of HCl is 12 molar, and we will took this volume, this V1, from the bottle of HCl. So this will be equal to V1 is equal to 100 divided by 12. So 100 divided by 12. So we will take this amount of HCl from the bottle. We will take this amount of HCl from the bottle, and we will add some water. So it will be equal to around about, it will be 8.33 ml. So we will took 8.33 ml of HCl from the HCl bottle, and we will add it to the distilled water, and we will reach the solution volume to 1 liter. So we will prepare 1 molar 0.1 molar HCl solution. Now if someone asks you to prepare 0.1 molar sulfuric acid solution, so it will can also be prepared from dilution C1V1 or M1V1 is equal to M2V2. This is the molarity of our final solution, this is the volume of our final solution, this is molarity of initial solution, this is volume of initial solution. Volume, this is volume which we are going to which we are taking from initial solution. So prepared 0.1 molar HCl solution whose volume is 1 liter or 1000 ml. So volume of the final solution is 1000 ml, whose and its molarity is 0.1 molar. It is given 0.1 molar. So the molarity of H2SO4 which are present in the lab, which is 97% favorite H2SO4, the molarity of H2SO4, the H2SO4 bottle which are present in the lab, actually the molarity of this H2SO4 which is present in the lab is about 18 molar. So it is 18 molar, and V1 is the volume which we are taking from this bottle into the pipette, and we will add this volume to the distilled water to prepare 1000 ml of H2SO4 whose molarity is 0.1 molar. So V1 is 100, and these two are multiplied by each other. This will be 100 divided by 18, so it will be about 5.55 ml. So we will took 5.55 ml of H2SO4 from this bottle. We will take 5.5 ml of H2SO4 from this bottle into the pipette, and we will add this 5.5 ml of H2SO4 into the distilled water. Finally we will stir it, and finally we will reach the volume of this solution to 1 liter. So we will get 0.1 molar H2SO4 solution whose volume is 1 liter. So this was all about how to prepare the molar solution from acid and base. Thank you very much for your attention. Thank you very much.